Hello, welcome to Systems of Equations Applications. Part 1 is we're going to look at writing equations in standard form. Standard form means that it's going to be in the form of ax plus by equals c. And this way we use these equations in a system to solve our word problem. Scott, the trainer, has two solo workout plans he offers, Plan A and Plan B. Each client does either one or the other, but not both. On Friday, there were 3 clients who did Plan A and 5 who did Plan B. On Saturday, 12 did Plan A and 2 did Plan B. Scott trained his Friday clients for 9 hours and his Saturday clients for 9 hours. How long does it take for each of his workout plans? And the question is, how long does each workout plan last? And that means we're talking about hours here. So let's make Plan A X hours, and Plan B is Y hours. Okay, so on Friday, we know that he had 3 clients do Plan A, so he had 3x. And he had 5 do Plan B, so 5y. And we know that the total number of hours for Friday was 9. We also know that on Saturday, he had 12 clients who did Plan A, so we have 12A, or 12x, plus plus 2 who did Plan B, so plus 2y equals 9. All right, and so now we need to solve our system. Well, one thing we could do is we could look at either elimination or substitution. And to me, elimination is what works the best, so we're going to use elimination. So we're going to try and get these, one of our variables to cancel out. And since 3 and x are common, or 3 and 12, 12 is a common multiple of 3 and itself, so I'm just multiply the top by 4 so I can cancel those out. So I'm going to get 12x plus 15y equals 45. And then at the bottom I have 12x plus 2y equals 9. So now I can cancel out my x values. Since these are the same signs, I'm going to subtract. So 12 minus 12 is 0x, so that goes away. I don't need to worry about it anymore. 15 minus 2 is 13y. 45 minus 9 is 36. Mr. McAllister made a huge mistake. This should only be 45 should be 36. 4 times 9 is 36. And the 15y should actually change to 20y because 4 times 5 is 20. That makes things work out a little more clear. 20 minus 20y minus 2y gives me 18y. And 36 minus 18 minus 9 is 27. Now we're going to divide both sides by 18. And y equals 27 over 18, which reduces to 3 over 2. Which we can also think of as 1.5, but we'll leave it as 3 over 2 for purposes of solving the equation. So since y equals 3 over 2, I'm going to plug that into one of my equations. I'm going to plug it into Saturday. So I have 12x plus 2 times 3 over 2 equals 9. When these multiply, they cancel, leaving you 12x plus 3 equals 9, so we minus 3 from both sides. So 12x equals 6, divide by 12 on both sides, and you get x equals 1/2. So x is 1/2, y is 3/2. Let's look at the next one. A fruit company delivers fruit in 2 box types, large and small. Delivery of 6 large boxes and 2 small boxes has a total weight of 122 kilograms. Delivery of 3 large boxes and 5 small boxes has a total weight of 86 kilograms. How much does each box weigh? Well, since we have 6 larges and 2 smalls, so we'll say large is x and small is y. So we'll have 6x plus 2y equals 122 kilograms. And then for the next one, we have 3x plus 5y equals 86 kilograms. 6 and 3 are really close in common multiples. Then since 3 goes into 6, I'm just going to multiply this one. I'm going to turn this one into 6 by multiplying it all. So I'm going to be left with 6x plus 2y equals 122 on top. And then on bottom I get 6x plus 10y equals 86. Since these are the same signs, I'm going to subtract them. 6 minus 6 is 0x. 2 minus 10 is negative 8y. (122) minus 86 is, borrow down, I get 11, 12, 6. 11 minus 8 is 3. It's 36. Mr. McAllister forgot to multiply 2 by the 86. So we'll rewrite the 122 and the minus 86. 2 times 86, 2 times 6 is 12, carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 172. And this is going to leave me with negative 50. I'm going to divide both of these by negative 8. And I get y equals 50 over 8. And I can reduce that by dividing both of them by 2 to 25 over 4. So I'm going to take this and substitute it into one of my equations. And I can actually change this to 6.25. I'm going to go substitute this into the top equation. So I'll have 6x plus 2 times 6.25 equals 122. 6x plus 12.50 equals 122 minus 12.50 . 122 minus 12.50 is 109.5 equals 6x. Now I'm going to divide by 6 on both sides. X equals 18.25. So the large box is 18.25 kilograms and the small box is 66.25 kilograms. So remember to just follow your order that it gives you your information in, and it'll normally always be x plus y equals your total. Set it up, solve it out using elimination or substitution, whichever works best for you. Good luck.